Nvidia is the most valuable company in the world, largely because it dominates manufacturing the complicated computer chips used to power artificial intelligence. But when OpenAI released Sora, a model that can generate videos from written instructions earlier this year, Nvidia executives were in awe.
Sora is just an extraordinary breakthrough.
Just a few days after Sora debuted, internal Slack and emails shared with Proof News and first reported on by our friends at 404 Media showed Nvidia decided they needed their own version of Sora. But to train that kind of model, Nvidia needed data in the form of videos, like a lot of videos. And to get them, they started discussing some things that, well, are legally disputed, like downloading all the movies on Netflix and all the shows on the Discovery Channel. There's no indication of whether they actually did those things, but they did download a whole lot of YouTube videos, apparently without permission from the video's creators or Google, which owns YouTube. In fact, they built a program that could download a single human lifetime's worth of videos every day. Now, not everyone at the company thought this was a good idea. Multiple employees raised questions in the Slack channel about whether what they were doing was illegal or might anger, say, Hollywood studios. Those employees were told basically, this is an executive decision that we can do this. They were also told that Nvidia considered what they were doing research, not for a commercial product, and therefore it didn't matter that they were downloading vast amounts of videos without permission. Plus, no one would know. At the same time, the company was drawing in over 150 workers to look for data and download it. People from all over the company who talked openly about using the Sora-like model for Nvidia's products. Products like autonomous vehicles. Nvidia has a partnership with Mercedes and other companies to provide self-driving tech in cars. A Sora-like model could do things like create videos of car crashes and wobbly bicyclists to train the cars on. Employees also got involved from Omniverse, which works on things like technology for digital humans, and Gear Lab, which works on Groot, a group building humanoid robots to do things like make juice, play the drums, and commute to work at Nvidia headquarters. These are all products Nvidia expects to make money on, lots of money, not just research into the new potential of technology. When asked to comment, a spokesperson from Nvidia said, "The company complies with copyright law." Nvidia's video-generating model, internally dubbed Cosmos, has yet to be publicly announced. Internal communications show employees expected to start training it this fall.